Python ships with a huge collection of ready-made tools called the standard library. In this video, we will take a quick tour of 6 of the most useful ones. The standard library is a toolkit that comes bundled with Python itself. It covers so many common tasks that you should always check it before writing your own solution. Think of the standard library like a fully stocked kitchen. The tools are already there waiting for you. You just open the right drawer, which in Python means writing import and the module name. We start by importing all 6 modules we will explore. Each import line tells Python to load that module so we can use its functions and tools. The math module gives you functions like square root and constants like pi. The random module lets you pick random numbers or random items from a list. Datetime handles dates, OS talks to the file system, json converts data to text and back, and counter tallies up how many times each item appears in a list. Here is a complete runnable program using 4 of the modules. The output is fixed so you can verify it exactly. Notice how much we accomplished without writing any helper logic ourselves. Whenever you are about to write a utility from scratch, pause and search the docs first. The standard library has likely already solved it in a way that is faster, safer, and easier to read. Python's standard library is one of its greatest strengths. Make a habit of checking the docs before reinventing the wheel, and you will write cleaner, faster code from day one.